Hey guys, Tony with SeattleBoatDetailing.com.
Alright, so I'm just working on this boat. I'm about to do a little bit of scuff removal prior to doing some buffing. That's basically a fender or a dock rub. There's also some other stuff in here that is not going to come out. These are true scratches, but what I'm trying to go after is these black marks. Anything that's just left, either rubber or something like that behind. I'm going to use some acetone, just dabbing it on the towel here, one-handed with my left, so be kind in the comments. I'm right-handed. And as you can see, that takes it right off. Okay, very little pressure, very little rubbing, just gets it right off. So one thing about the acetone is if there's any wax on this boat, it's going to strip that. So if you're doing this on your boat, you definitely want to come back through and wax afterwards. Otherwise, then your boat's just unprotected, so you don't want to do that. The other thing is, I would not use it on this lettering. If I do, it's going to turn this red. There's a little bit of orange on this towel. That's not from that. That's actually from some tree sap goop that was on this boat up here that I already removed with the acetone. But next I'm going to remove some big marks here as well. I can see what I'm working on here. As you can see, it got most of it. Now I'm going to be polishing this boat anyway, so I don't care if I'm not getting everything. I'm trying to get the majority of it. I've got some more down here. Takes it right off. Got more up in here. Takes that off. Alright, so again, just any basic little rub marks, any shoe scuffs coming over your boat, it would take out things like that as well. What I'm doing, this is literally just a prep. This is that orange goop I was talking about that was on the towel originally. There were some tree droppings on this boat, and the acetone will work on that as well. This is kind of like a goopy sap-like, I don't know if it was from a flower or a leaf, but it's pretty common here in the Pacific Northwest to get those. And off the top of my head, I don't know what kind of tree it is, but it also stained inside on the floor, which I've got cleaning in there. Anyway, hope that helps, and give me a like and a comment if you must.